the Stratford Chefs School is doing their best to set us all up for success and keep us safe while we finish our apprenticeship and they release us into the industry. I feel like it's hard to think of any one specific moment that stands out because we're constantly learning so many things every day. When we sit after service and we talk about feelings, about how things went, and we're supposed to talk about something we learned, sometimes I've got 8 things I've learned and I'm all really excited about it. I finished service the other night being so excited about learning how to clarify a broth, which in a new way, which I just found thrilling. I just love the science of it, but I think part of the reason that I love the culinary industry is that I love to learn, and every day I'm learning something new, always. So I can't think of just one thing. The school is doing a really good job of keeping our safety first, keeping the safety of the students a priority and also keeping the safety of the patrons a priority. I am someone who is very nervous about COVID, as I feel that people should be, and I always feel that the Stratford Chefs School has put all of our health as the #1 priority of this year, which I really appreciate. I just love trying new things. I love the science and the history behind foods, and I genuinely want to try new things all of the time. I really like pastry because it can be so scientific and it is less forgiving, and it's very technical.